The cold face of concrete is becoming a thing of the past. Now we have a revolutionary technology that doesn't just give buildings an exterior facade, it literally armors them. This system isn't just an ordinary cladding system, it's an incredible exterior revolution that combines the strength of real brick with modern engineering. There's no need for mortar, scaffolding, or days of masonry on the construction site. The panels are precision prepared in the factory, delivered to the site, and locked onto the building within minutes. Some walls merely separate, others anchor the soil, the mountain, and tons of weight in place like nails. Archlock does exactly that. This system isn't just any retaining wall, it's a veritable force of engineering. Imagine concrete blocks weighing tons, interlocking completely without even using mortar. Each block mechanically attaches to the previous one, and the resulting structure stands not just by its own weight, but by its geometry. The screen now flashes with tasks completed in seconds. Hands work at a speed that even a human eye can barely follow, as pieces fit, are cut, assembled, lifted, and repositioned. The issue here isn't strength, but reflexes. There's virtually no tolerance for error because every move has been memorized, every step repeated countless times. In this technique, especially rolled, flexible sheet is laid on the floor to create a protective layer before the coating is applied. During application, the material is rolled directly onto the floor, overlapping the seams, and the entire area is quickly covered. The greatest advantage of this system is its protection against both moisture and impact. With this technique, heavy, large surface panels can be easily lifted and placed by a single person using a special vacuum lifting mechanism, eliminating the need for manpower. The system significantly speeds up the installation of plasterboard, wood panels, and large-size cladding panels, particularly when handling them manually. The risk of breakage, cracking, and workplace accidents is significantly reduced. In this system, instead of being built from scratch on site, structures are manufactured in large sections in a factory and delivered to the construction site as ready-made modules. Walls, floors, ceilings, electrical and plumbing systems are completed during the production phase. The only work performed on site is the placement and assembly of these modules using cranes. This method reduces construction time by 50 to 70% compared to traditional construction times. In this method, production speed and quality depend on human skill rather than machinery. Thanks to the specialized manual skills and practical solutions developed over the years, workers produce results much faster than with traditional methods. Measuring, cutting, shaping, transporting, and assembly are all performed in a single move with minimal errors. The most crucial element in these techniques is not muscle strength, but the ability to execute the right movement at the right time. This system produces extremely lightweight building blocks that, by incorporating controlled air pores into the concrete, offer sufficient load-bearing capacity. Thanks to its porous structure, the material provides both thermal and acoustic insulation. Because it is significantly lighter than conventional concrete, it significantly reduces the building's overall load and positively impacts seismic performance. Because the blocks are produced in large sizes and with a smooth surface, installation is accelerated, mortar consumption is reduced, and walls are constructed in a shorter time. This system allows for fully automated pouring, spreading, and precise leveling of floor screed. The machine spreads the liquid screed material continuously and in a controlled manner, simultaneously adjusting the level using laser-assisted sensors. This largely eliminates human error, resulting in a smooth, level surface. It's significantly faster than traditional manual screed applications and saves significant time on large areas. These techniques are based on specialized working methods aimed at minimizing measurement, alignment, and assembly errors at every stage of the project. All measurements are taken digitally before application. Reference lines are established, and each step is planned in advance. Materials are applied in a specific order and discipline, not haphazardly. This prevents the development of classic surface problems such as ripples, gaps, shifts, and level differences. This building model produces fully functional living spaces with very small square footage. Structures are typically built on a steel or wood frame and are largely finished in a factory environment. Thermal insulation, electrical, plumbing, and interior fittings are completed during the production phase. The only work performed on site is installation and infrastructure connections. This system is a mechanical leveling tool that ensures the floor surface is leveled to millimeter precision before screed and coating. During application, the tool moves like a rail over the floor, automatically scraping off excess material and leaving the entire surface level. When used in conjunction with lasers or reference strips, it largely eliminates leveling errors. It is significantly faster than hand leveling and minimizes surface waviness. Labor requirements are reduced, application time is shortened, and the finished floor is smooth and ready for coating. In this system, the special connections and joints required for the bridge deck and supporting elements are pre-placed in the mold before the concrete is poured. These elements, called inserts, ensure that post-cast installations are carried out with millimeter precision and without additional braking, while traditional methods require subsequent anchoring and connection gaps, which can lead to both time loss and weakening of the concrete. In this system, all connection points are integrated into the concrete from the outset. In this system, wooden load-bearing elements and structural components are cut, processed, and assembled simultaneously by multiple industrial robots. Because the entire process is computer-controlled, measurement errors and human-induced assembly errors are largely eliminated. Robots assemble wooden components with millimeter precision, quickly completing load-bearing frames, panels, and beams.